Push the handle up on. No, shut the door and then push the handle up. So I can't get a new handle for it to do it, so push it too, now push the handle up in the air. Right, now leave it. You have to push the things over, but like as if you're locking it, but you're not locking it with the key knot.
Is the handle broken?
Yes, the bit in the middle won't go, but they can't get one anywhere.
Oh dear. It's not good.
Like everything else, they make things for a few years and then expect you to buy a whole new door for the sake of a handle. And I'm not paying about 800 quid for a new door.
I wouldn't know. It's certainly. Oh, master. The appliances over. But she's still out.
What appliances?
There's washing machine.
You can't until what's it comes out. No. Because it's not straightforward. Like I said, since yours has been plumbed in, it's got extra pipes in it. They've got to be capped off. And that's why she's been trying to get all removed for the last few days. Well, she'll have to find somebody else that does it at some point. But once you get moved to answer the phone, she might have half a chance of getting hold of him.
That'll be like 20 years.
Well, like I said, he doesn't exactly rush himself.
Have you got anything uses for my hair now?
Oh, I need hair and knickers. Before you do the last spin, I'll wait for it to go off and you just do that.
You know the last time I was here that she put on hair? How do you do it? Alright.
Yeah, put the wire round behind it on the end. No, not all of it, just the bit where it's, yeah, tucking it round the end so if it falls, it can't fall off. It's all the rain we've had the last few days. Trouble is now there's so many holes in it, it gets damp inside and everything gets sprayed up.
Okay. Shall I close it? Shall I close it now? Okay. Alright then. Mum's on about bringing the appliances and everything in the house today, but I don't know how she's going to do it without them getting from me. So. No. Thanks to Mary, we're not going to have a washing machine for about a year now. I guarantee. Your phone's been going off for the last 5 minutes. We're going to get an unbalanced things, guys. No, do not know. I don't know, but I don't know. Oh, by the way, guys, there will be a new video coming out soon of the camera, the white knight. But I'm going to film it on my GoPro because I'm for a video of it with my GoPro. Not inside of it, but on the outside of it, so I'm out of paper. Oh, the camera. It's not like a GoPro, but I'd call it GoPro because it's like it. Oh, you know. Yeah. It's up there actually. Oh, charging. Up there, look. Charging. 17 minutes left, guys. Gracie's at top that up, going out now. What's that?
Got a dirty mark on it, which I didn't notice when I took the pillowcase off.
Uh-oh.
So you'll have to go in at the end when I
Spin it.
spin it.
Yeah, okay. You right then? Cool. No.
That's why I washed the sheets and that the other day because it had gone through the towel onto the pillowcase.
Yeah.
I didn't realise it had gone right through the pillowcase as well.
Oh dear. What Mum's on about doing is pulling her machine in first with Haltys stuff, and then when Mo gets back to us, she's going to put mine in.
Alright.
So, mine's going to have to wait a few weeks.
Yeah, but yours has got a double pipe, one's got to be closed up. How's Sharon's not doing anyway, lockdown? Can't do anything from her?
Yeah, she has to spoke to me yesterday. No, she texted nothing.
Alright.
That's how I am every day.
Yeah.
Alex, if I don't answer.
14 minutes left.
Do what now?
14 minutes. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, well, when it's first spin, I can put it on off and then leave it till it clicks.
No, so it's first thing for me next day. So it's got about another 2 more spins left.
Yeah, and then it's, you know, I have to put these in and then do the big spin.
Yeah. There's no way that's going to spin that. That looks very unbalanced. The drum's not moving, but if it starts spinning, that it will. That looks very unbalanced. Is it cold, is it?
The water's freezing.
Oh dear.
Coming all the way from outside, so
Yeah, that's not good.
by the time I put it on the hot water and it runs, it takes ages in this house because it goes all through upstairs before it comes down.
Yeah.
So it's not worth doing it.
Yeah. I'm going to say, I'm just thinking because it was very unbalanced and I didn't know if it would spin out or not, but it didn't, so that's good. That is good.
Oh,
That's what I'm trying to it.
did I hold it up? Oh, yeah. I know, that's what I said, it's freezing.
Oh, yeah, I didn't
I like the said, if I put the heating on the fridge and warm up, it takes so long to go through.
Oh yeah.
And it wastes so much water.
Yeah. I would still do it though, because that's freezing. Yeah, I'm not too sure if that'll spin that or not, guys.
Good old time stop. Maybe it's not stop.
Oh no. You know I said that Brandon Florida had been packed and I couldn't play it?
You are.
Brandon Florida, Brandon Florida,
Oh, well.
that was packed, yeah. That was packed. Yeah, that was packed. So I couldn't play it, but I was getting the FIFA like football game with this.
Yeah.
On Facebook. This was really good. So I put it in the football case, not thinking anything of it. Mum packed it, so I'm going to play it in like 4 weeks. So today, during the day, I can finally play it.
Yeah, we can.
What else is there? There's one
There's only one small one, so if you have that, it'll be the last one you have until next day you come. Because that's the whole thing. New ones I bought for you. So if you have it now, you won't be able to take it with you. That thing you've got one over there going.
No.
I'm just going to move my thing.
What, you mean during the time?
I don't know what it's doing, but I'm just, I don't want it to fall off when I take the plug with this out. Because I got it upstairs and then this round upstairs.
It's not filming anything, it's just
Oh, I need to get you a wash basket out, don't I?
Yeah, no, it's not filming anything, it's just
Did you say Mummy's pretty much sorted your room?
Yeah, the bed's up, the TV's up, the Xbox is up.
Good. Bloody careful. I told you to be careful. It's Nanny Tarn's going to take you back with your stuff. I can probably give her that grey fold-up box for your room. Right. Don't forget when that's finished, put it to north if I'm not down. And let me know when it clicks.
Okay.
I'm just going upstairs to run these round. Nanny's in the garden sweeping legs. Okay?
Thank you. Will it balance or will it not, guys? That is the question. Let's find out. Here we go. Oh, that pump. Right, it's going to do a distribution, then it's going to spin. So let's see what we could get on the spins. That's it. Unravel it. That's it. Unravel. Go on. Alright then. That looks like it would be alright to spin that. if it would distribute it. Come on, Hoover. If that was a spin, that'll be right, I reckon. If it distributes everything. Which it won't. There we go. Yeah, that'd be right if it's done that. Yeah. If you spun that Hoover, I'd be quite happy. With that. As long as you don't let any of them sheets drop all over the place all the time. Now let's see what's going to happen now then for the spin. Let's see. Come on, Hoover. That's it. There you go. Do not pull it up. Whatever you do. Is it balanced? I'd say that is balanced. Unfortunately, it's going on the back. So, yes, I'd say that's balanced. In my opinion. Nope, apparently not. Come on, Hoover. You know you can balance it, so do I. And coming back in. Is that going to spin that? If that spins that, it might jump. Might. I don't say it will, but it might. There we go. Should be alright, actually. It looks fine, but anyway. Let's see. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Unbalanced. Didn't jump, but it's unbalanced. Very unbalanced at that. What was that knocking? Did you hear that? It like... And final rinse is about to happen. Enjoy. a spin. Let's see what happens. Will it jump or will it be okay? Let's find out. Here we go. Distribution. So let's see what we're gonna get for distribution. This is what can be spin, so let's keep an eye out for this. I'll be glad if that was a spin, because that looks smooth as anything. A little bit of the unbalanced bit now and then, but that looks smoother. So I wish that would spin it, but it probably won't know. I'm gonna go with it. You need to hurry up and spin though, motorbike. I think so. Right, yeah, thank you. Here we go guys, what's it going to be like? I hope we can see the back of the drum for the 1000 spin, but there's no telling with this machine. Here we go. Let's find out. Let's see the back, let's see the back, let's see the back, let's see the back. Oh. Yeah, I don't see that spinning that, but if it does, we'll definitely see that. No, didn't see that spinning that anyway. Come on, please let us see the back of the drum. There's a nice washing machine. Come on. Maybe? Yeah. That looks alright. Maybe not, so. What's the matter, hey, Hoover? Why aren't you spinning properly? All I want to do is just see the back of the drum. It's not like I want to see the whole drum, because I know what I'm going to do now. Let me see the back of it, please. Oh boy, this is going to be one of them ongoing things. Now, come on. There's a good feeling. Come on. No, alright? I wanted to see the back of the drum, but the thing's not there. So my room pretty much up together, is it? Yay! Sweet. Cheers. Right, now there's nothing wrong with that. That's got to spin that, surely. Come on, spin it. Yes. Couldn't see the back of the drum, but it makes it spin. Here we go. Seriously, that looks a bit smooth, that's good. That's better than it was in the last two spins, that's good. That is good. Second burst now. Yeah, we go. Oh, apparently it's only after doing one burst. Okay. You can spin to 1000. Sounds like I have to spin only with the GoPro as well because of the battery percentage on my phone, and I have no extension lead, so you know.
Huh?
You know the battery on this?
Mm.
I have to come spin in on the GoPro because that'll know. And it is finished right about any second. Now. There we go. Right then guys, I'll be back for the spinner with the GoPro.